Volkswagen CEO just did what every other automaker refuses to do: release a practical $20,000 pickup truck that's designed purely for work, not ego. If you're a contractor, small business owner, or fleet manager who's been priced out of the truck market by luxury features you don't need, the new Volkswagen Transporter Doka is specifically built to solve your problem. While Ford and GM keep adding massage seats and chrome trim that push prices past $50,000, this Volkswagen focuses on pure functionality, massive cargo space, real payload capacity, and a price that won't destroy your budget. A pickup meant for work. You know what's wrong with today's truck market? Every single pickup tries to be everything to everyone. They're loaded with leather seats for the boardroom, massive chrome grills for intimidation, and rock sliders for adventures most owners will never take. But real working people don't need a truck that looks good at the country club. They need something that shows up every morning ready to earn its keep. That's exactly why Volkswagen's approach with this transporter-based pickup is so refreshing. The new truck is based on the latest generation of the legendary Transporter, but it doesn't waste time trying to look tough or flashy like most American pickups. It doesn't pretend to be a weekend warrior with fake off-road cladding either. Instead, what you get is honest design focused entirely on work. A large cabin that can fit your entire crew without anyone complaining about cramped quarters, paired with an even bigger cargo bed designed to swallow whatever your job demands. No chrome badges to polish, no plastic trim pieces to crack in the sun, just straightforward functionality that speaks to anyone who actually uses their truck for a living. But looking the part is one thing. The real question is whether this truck can actually handle the loads your business demands, which is where things get really interesting. Bigger and more capable than Amarok. Here's something that drives working folks crazy about today's pickups. They keep getting smaller beds and higher prices. You spend 40 grand on a truck only to find out the bed can barely fit a sheet of plywood flat. Meanwhile, your payload capacity gets eaten up by all the luxury features you never asked for in the first place. That's where this new Volkswagen pickup completely flips the script on the competition. Now, Volkswagen does sell a pickup called the Amarok in other markets, but that truck is largely the same design, size, and capability as the Ford Ranger, so if you know what a Ranger can do, you understand the Amarok's limitations. But this transporter-based Doka operates in a completely different league. The genius is in the stretched wheelbase design that creates a massive cargo bed measuring 85 inches long and nearly 77 inches wide, dimensions that put most mid-sized trucks to shame. But the real game changer is the payload capacity of up to 2,930 pounds compared to the Amarok's 2,350 pound limit. Therefore, you're looking at a truck that can actually handle the loads your business demands without constantly worrying about weight limits or making multiple trips. So the cargo capacity is impressive, but all that space means nothing if your crew shows up to the job site already beat up from a miserable ride, which brings us to what might be the biggest surprise. Functional cabin. Anyone who's tried to run a crew knows the frustration of squeezing full-grown adults into the back seat of a compact pickup. Your workers show up to the job site already uncomfortable and cranky, which doesn't exactly boost productivity. Most truck manufacturers seem to think back seats are just for kids or gym bags. But Volkswagen actually solved this problem with real-world thinking. Despite dedicating serious space to that massive cargo bed, the double cab configuration ensures adults can sit comfortably in both rows without their knees hitting the front seats. You're not asking your crew to fold themselves into origami shapes just to get to the work site. Here's what makes it even better. The cabin doesn't look like a punishment for choosing function over form. Even though this truck's focus is strictly on work capability, the company included a 13-inch touchscreen infotainment system and a 12-inch digital instrument cluster right from the base model. The seats are designed for 8-hour days, not 20-minute commutes. Therefore, this becomes the mobile office your business actually needs. Comfortable enough for long days, but tough enough for real work. Now, a comfortable cabin and massive bed are great, but they're completely worthless if the powertrain can't deliver when you need it most. And that's where Volkswagen made its smartest decision. Powertrain. Volkswagen's powertrain strategy for the US market is smart. While the European version comes with diesel and electric variants, the American model will get a hybrid system specifically engineered to solve real business problems. This hybrid setup will provide the perfect balance between performance and efficiency while avoiding the headaches of both diesel emission systems and electric range anxiety. The result will be a powertrain that delivers the torque you need for towing and hauling while achieving fuel economy numbers that actually help your bottom line. But the real genius is how this choice keeps the truck affordable. No expensive diesel after-treatment systems, no costly battery packs, just proven hybrid technology that works day in and day out. All these features sound great on paper, but none of them matter if the price puts it out of reach for working people, which is where the German automaker just dropped the biggest bombshell of all. Release date and price. Here's the number that's about to change everything in the truck market, and it's not what you think. While other manufacturers keep pushing prices higher, claiming trucks need to cost 50 grand to be capable, experts suggest this pickup will start at just $20,000. Let that sink in for a moment. $20,000 for a brand new pickup truck with more cargo space than a Tacoma and better fuel economy than anything in its class. When you compare that to what's currently available, the numbers become almost laughable. A base model Toyota Tacoma starts around $32,000, and that's before any options or dealer markups. A comparable Ford Ranger will run you over $35,000, and that's assuming you can even find one on the lot. Think about what that means for a small business owner who needs multiple trucks for the crew. Instead of financing one overpriced Tacoma for $45,000, you could buy two of these for less money and actually have the fleet capacity your business demands. The loan payments alone would save you hundreds every month, money that could go back into growing your business instead of padding some bank's profits. But it goes deeper than just the purchase price. Lower insurance costs, cheaper maintenance, better fuel economy, every aspect of ownership becomes more affordable. Therefore, contractors who've been priced out of truck ownership will suddenly have a viable option that won't require a second mortgage or a 7-year loan that leaves you underwater for half the term. The ripple effects are huge. Young contractors just starting out will actually be able to afford to buy work trucks instead of relying on beat-up used ones that break down at the worst possible times. Established businesses will be able to expand their fleets without breaking their budgets. Fleet managers who've been stretching every dollar to keep trucks on the road finally have a solution that makes financial sense. The impact goes way beyond individual buyers. Fleet managers who've watched truck prices spiral out of control finally have something that makes financial sense. Small businesses that couldn't justify truck costs can now afford the capability they need to grow. When the US version arrives next year, it's not just launching another truck, it's potentially resetting what Americans should expect to pay for honest work capability. While everyone else chases luxury profits, Volkswagen is betting there's still a huge market for trucks that prioritize value over vanity. Based on what we're seeing, that's about to be the smartest bet in the industry. At the end of the day, Volkswagen isn't trying to reinvent the truck. They're just getting back to what trucks were supposed to be in the first place. No unnecessary luxury, no inflated prices, no features that sound impressive but don't help you get work done. Just an honest truck with massive cargo space, comfortable seating for your crew, efficient hybrid power, and a $20,000 price tag that makes financial sense for real working people. While other manufacturers chase profit margins with luxury features, Volkswagen is betting there's still a huge market for trucks that prioritize value over vanity. And based on what we're seeing, that bet is about to pay off big time. But as much as the Transporter Doka looks appealing, it will soon enough get serious competition. If you think that Volkswagen is the only manufacturer aware of the fact that we desperately need honest, affordable trucks, check out this video about GM releasing their brand new $19,000 pickup. Soon enough, the US market will be loaded with affordable yet capable pickup trucks, and that's definitely something to look forward to.